In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Google Sheets with this tutorial for beginners. So, if you're just starting out with Google Sheets or want to know how to organize your spreadsheet data effectively, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First, we begin by opening a Google Sheet. If you haven't already got one open, you can easily create a new spreadsheet from Google Drive. Just click on New and select Google Sheets to get started. Ensure you have the data that you wish to turn into a table within this sheet. Having your data organized beforehand will make the process much smoother. Now let's highlight all the cells containing the data you want to include in your table. To do this, click and drag your cursor across the cells. Make sure you've selected everything you need because this defines the scope of your table. Once you have selected your data, the next step is to use your mouse to right-click on the highlighted area. A context menu will pop up, offering various actions. What we're looking to do here is convert this selection into an organized table format. From the context menu, go ahead and click on Convert to Table. This automatically helps structure your data in a more visually appealing format, adding functionalities that can help with data analysis and readability. Next, we're going to enhance the functionality of your new table. Click on Views at the top of your sheet. This is where we'll create what's called a filter view. Filter views allow you to sort and filter data without affecting the sheet for other viewers. Very useful for collaborative environments. Click on Create Filter View. This action will apply a temporary view to your dataset, displaying little filter drop-downs next to each column heading that allow customized viewing options. Once your filter view is set up, it's time to save it to avoid redoing it every time you open your spreadsheet. Click on Save View. You'll then be prompted to enter a name for this view, which makes it easier to manage, especially if you have multiple filter views. Type in a descriptive name and click Save. We're almost there. Finally, click on Format at the top of your Google Sheets. In this menu, you'll find numerous options to adjust the appearance of your table, but for now, let's focus on table-specific formatting. Click on Table Formatting and then opt to show Table Grid Lines. This small step increases the visual clarity of your table by clearly delineating rows and columns. You might also notice other options like Show Condensed View, which you can select to make your table more compact, potentially helpful for large data sets or presentations. And there we have it. By following these steps, you've turned your Google Sheet data into a structured table, complete with enhanced functionality and clearer readability. This is not only a time saver, but makes your data easily navigable and ready for analysis. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.